Hi, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to edit Netflix dark filters using Lightroom mobile. Here are example photos before and after using these filters.
Doing things I know, walking the same ways 100
The preset download link in description. So let's start photo editing.
Doing things they know, talking about the same old
I will paste tone curves from my editable photo.
think they know. But do you ever try to put on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to pop on the left side, put it up in your mind? It's gonna be hard. I'm here. I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times with the same soul.
Original upload by CRAZY Editing. Don't re-upload the videos and presets.
But do you ever try to pop on the left side, put it up in your mind? Doing things they know, talking about the same old stories they've heard about the people they think they know. But do you ever try to pop on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to pop on the left side, put it up in your mind? It's gonna be hard. I'm here.
Now let's try to copy this preset for another photo.
I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times with the same soul. But do you ever try to put on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to put on the left side, put it up in your mind? It's gonna be alright. And you can try, roll your mind. 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 Seeing all the watering fill your eyes, doing the things they know, talking about the same old stories they've heard about the people they think they know. But do you ever try to put on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to put on the left side, put it up in your mind?
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.